Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. Today I've made a card from the January kit I've just shown you. So it's absolutely gorgeous. It's called Trifold. I didn't have to score it, it's already done. It came in the kit. I've used the pink, the DSP, the tag die and the friend, and I also embossed. The only thing I added was this tiny little bit of ribbon that didn't come in the kit. So I'm going to make another version of this. Here we go. And this time I might add more, we'll see. So let's get one of the cards out. I didn't think about doing that, of course. That's the card. Now, the issue I had was, that's the card look, but this DSP is a 6x6 and this card is 7 inches, so that's why I backed it with pink, because I thought that would make it look. So the back, see? So this time I want to make, I'm going to use that one. First one I chose. Look, absolutely beautiful. And it is good quality. It's really there on the back, look. Oh, I love that one. I didn't even see that one because it's round that way. Oh. Okay, right, that's the paper sorted. I've still got some pink card left that I'm going to use. The die I used was the second, hang on, 1, 2, 3, fourth, I don't know how to do it. Second from large. Yeah, it's not the largest, it's the second one. I've already cut one out because I knew I'd need it. The stamp is ready. I need to cut this so I know, because what I did was I cut a bit of the, this is the pink, and I heat embossed it with the stamp, and then I cut the friend out. So I need a piece of card like that. So I need to do my cutting. Now, what can I remember? I can remember it's 7 inches, so I need 6 3/4. And I think I remember it being 2 1/4, but don't trust me. Yeah, it's 2 1/2. So 2 1/4. So, oh, I don't know if I'm going to have enough for the friend. We will see. So that's that. Oh. That's what I've got left. Yay, thank goodness for that. Oh, let's cut the DSP while I'm here. So if that was 2 1/4, that means that's going to be 2 inches. And then this piece I put inside, and I had to cut it because that's 5 inches. So I had to cut this at 4 3/4. So one piece, that's all you put in the bin, really. Right, there's some of my bits. Now, where's that bit of card gone? There it is. So this piece I need to emboss. Let's get it ready. Right, Versamark ink, and I just inked up the middle, really, because sorry, that's all I need. Put it down and I just pressed it. I know this isn't the normal way we use the platform, it's just a different way. Pick that up and it's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Put that away. Look at that. So there is going to be a little bit of noise, which I am sorry about, but it's so worth it. Ooh, put the lid on properly, otherwise you know what will happen. Right, look at this, watch the magic. Are you ready? Look at that. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. And the only problem now you've got is where are you going to die cut it? I'm bringing my tiny die cutting machine, so it just makes life easier. And then just run that through. I'll get that out. Let me just put this away as well. So I've got a little bit of space. I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to use that as a mask. I love doing that with die cut out pieces. I think this might have been a bit warm. Right, I kept the little dot for the eye, which is good. See, look how pretty that looks. Doesn't look like plain pink card, does it? My voice is going. That's not a good thing on the video, is it? Why is my voice going? I ask myself. How annoying. I'm just running my scissors out because my blade sometimes doesn't, I don't like these roughed edges sometimes. Sometimes I do. I need to change my blade. Right, let's assemble. Are you ready? Just using that is for the inside. Just put it there. Okay, and then now these I've cut, so where did I cut them? There. And if I put them around that way, that'll look better. So where there's a pattern, you want to really check that out, make sure it works out. Oh, I've cut that too thin. And I haven't got any more. Oh my god. Oh my god. What was I going to do? I do have another piece of pink card. I'll have to use that. Oh, crazy woman. Why can't you do it? Honestly. So what did I do wrong? Which is the right piece? Right, should have been 2 1/4 by 6 3/4. So 2 1/4 is 4 1/2. 6 3/4, and then cut it at 2 1/4. There. Simple. Okay, lucky I didn't put it down because the card is different. So lucky I didn't put this one down on the other card, or I'd have had a matching card. Don't know if I could have coped with that. Right. This time I'm going to try, because last time I didn't get it very straight for some reason. I don't really like that when it's not straight. This was just some tape I bought online. I'm just trying out a few different glues, just to see what's out there. I'm still a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, but it's not the only thing going on in the world, is it? Right, that one, I'm not sure. sure. Right. That looks better. There. Why is it the only time I want to cough is when I'm doing a video? Can somebody tell me that? Just put in some Tombow, because I did try some other glue and I really didn't like it. You had to squeeze it. I needed both hands. It was just too much. I just couldn't, I can't use that. So, I'll see if one of my ladies in the craft class wants it. Maybe she's stronger than me. I don't think I'm a weak, you know, sometimes I can't open a jar or something, then I have to ask my husband, not my son, which is quite annoying. But this is just some ribbon I'd got left over. It's in a drawer by the side of me where I keep odds and ends. And I just, maybe I've cut this too small, maybe not. I just put it in there. Open it up and bring those two in. Come on, there you go. Ooh. Okay, that's what we need. I need more of that one. There. Okay, that's it. And just cut them at an angle. That's that done. And then I did, just to keep that secure, I did actually put a glue dot just to keep it from moving, because I don't want it to. And then I only put tape on that little bit there, and then I kind of angled it. Okay, there. Now, what else? I've got bows and I've got ribbon. I've got all this in the kit. I don't think I want to put a bow on it. I'm going to put a heart on it. Oh, how cute is that? That is so cute. Right, so where's my original? I've thrown it over the... Oh, where is it? I have no idea. There it is. Right, there's my original. I love them. I think I'll put a sticky on there as well. They're so nice. They really are. I hope you liked that. I really like these cards. They're so nice. Take care. Bye.